This is all my fault. I should have got you a tissue when you wanted it before instead of whacked you and made your sins. Say you're at the hospital and you may die and get in this crate. What? Don't worry, just drink more medicine. I thought, what, if you drink too much medicine, you get sick. No, if you're this sick, you're allowed to drink a lot. Warning. Everything that's in here is not true. Alright. He's having a heart attack. Quickly, this might not be pretty. He couldn't do nothing. It's too late. He's not breathing. Oh, great. This sucks. He's dead. Oh, you were a good brother. I should have gotten what you wanted. I'm sorry I made you do so much work. Oh, why? Oh, why? 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 Oh, why, Redbird? Oh, why? Why? Oh, I had a horrible night. I knew that I was dead. Good thing you're not in the hospital, because I accidentally whacked you when you were sneezing. Just a little sick. I feel a lot better. Yeah, they did a checkup. They did a couple things. You're fine. Oh, good. Sorry, I had some hair down my throat. Yeah. Look, I'm sorry. It's okay. I'm just sorry for everything. It's okay. I'm sorry for everything I ever did to you. Like leaving you there and almost having you die. Yeah, that's true. Come on. Now, let's go watch our movie. Okay. No, let's go watch our movie. But don't we have to till next Friday? No, we don't. No, we don't. Cookie. We need a shake that's not made of this thing. Just make it out of banana, mango, strawberry smoothie. Banana, mango, strawberry smoothie.